Indian missiles and drones have inflicted heavy damage on at least 8 Pakistan Air Force bases and several critical radar and air defense units. The strikes, which took place last week, have raised tensions in the region as both nations continue their ongoing military standoff. Now, today we are diving deep into the damage caused, the strategic importance of the targets, and what this means for the future of India Pakistan relations. So, stay tuned. Among the most heavily impacted was the PAF base Noor Khan, located near Rawalpindi, which lies close to Pakistan's army headquarters. Now, this base, one of the country's most important, plays a crucial role in logistics, VIP transport, strategic operations, and aviator training. The base houses PAF transport aircraft such as Lockheed C-130, Hercules Illusion 278 refuelers, and trainers such as Karakoram 8. With the Pakistan Army's general headquarters and the Strategic Plan Division, the operational arm of the country's nuclear command, in the vicinity. The base lies at the heart of the Pakistani military establishment. Next, we turn to PAF base Murid in Chakwal. This base is the home of Pakistan's growing fleet of combat drones, including the GIDS Shahpar and the Chengdu Wingloom 2. These drones have played a crucial role in Pakistan's aerial capabilities, but Indian forces managed to strike at this vital operational base, crippling its ability to deploy unmanned aerial vehicles. Then we have PAF base Sakar. This base, which also serves as a civilian airport, was struck as part of India's larger offensive. The base, located in northern Sindh, plays a vital role in the regional air operations and is crucial for the Pakistan Air Force's Southern Command. This is another forward operational base of the PAF, which doubles as the Begum Nusrat Bhutto International Airport. Sakar, the second major civilian airport operational in Sindh after Karachi's Jinnah International Airport. Originally built as military airdrome during World War II, the Sakar base operates under PAF's Southern Air Command. Another major hit was PAF base Rahim Yar Khan. Runway knocked out by Indian strike, base is now shut for repairs. The Rahim Yar Khan base is a forward operational base of the PAF's Central Command. Its sole runway is also used by Sheikh Zayed International Airport, named after Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the first president of the UAE who funded the construction of the airport's terminal. Day-to-day operations at the airport are handled by the Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority. Now, after India's strike at the airbase, which has left a massive crater on its runway, all flight operations have been suspended for a week. PF base Mushaf, located in Sargodha, was another key target. This base is home to Pakistan's best fighter aircraft and pilots, and its destruction has significantly impacted the PAF's ability to conduct air operations. Now known for housing advanced fighter jets like the F-16 Fighting Falcon and JF-17 Thunder, Mushaf is regarded as one of the most strategic assets in Pakistan's Air Force. Now, next we have PAF base Shahbaz Jacobabad, which has been crucial NATO base during war on terror, important to Pak's F-16s. Now, this was heavily used by NATO forces during Operation Enduring Freedom, the official moniker of the US-led global war on terrorism. The Jacobabad base is home to some of PAF's most advanced aircraft and equipment. These include the latest JF-17 Block II, multiple variants of the F-16 Fighting Falcon, and the Italian Leonardo AW139 helicopter of the 88 Search and Rescue Squadron. Now, according to local media reports, the base also houses private contractors who work on the American F-16s. Next is PAF base Rafiki Shorkot, which is a base for JF-17 and Mirage 5 fighters, located 337 km to the south of Islamabad. This base is a vital asset of PAF's Northern Air Command. It is home to squadrons of JF-17, Mirage 5 and the French utility helicopter Alouette 3. The base is named in honor of squadron leader Sarfaraz Ahmed Rafiki, one of the Pakistan's most decorated fighter pilots, famous for his exploits during the war of 1965. Then we have PAF base Bholari Jamshoro, which is the newest Pak's air base, where Pak and China held major aerial exercise in 2020. Inaugurated as recently as December 2017, this is one of Pakistan's most modern main operational bases. Now, it is home to squadrons of both the JF-17 Thunder and F-16 Fighting Falcon, as well as Saab 2000 AEWACs, airborne early warning and control aircraft. It is fitted with the Array radar system. In 2020, the base hosted exercise Shaheen 9, a major joint Pakistani-Chinese aerial exercise radar sites and air defense units. Other radar sites and air defense units which were hit were Pasroor, Sialkot District, Punjab, Sialkot, Punjab, Chunia Kasur District, Punjab, Lahore, Punjab, Malirkand, Karachi, Sindh. India also struck at least 3 radar sites in Pakistan's Punjab province close to the border with the Indian state of Punjab and the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, as well as 2 air defense units, one in Lahore and another in Maler. These were all likely a part of Pakistan's larger air defense system which India hit. For more such stories and updates, keep watching The Indian Express.